Hey everyone, welcome to another video. As promised, before I go ahead, apologies for the echo. This room is really empty right now. But, right, we're gonna be doing basic operations this video. So we're gonna be doing that with Booleans, and we're also gonna be doing some arithmetic with numbers and a few other things. So let's jump right into it. So, continuing from where we left off, let's basic arithmetic. So we can add stuff, which is the first example we did. 2 plus 2, 5 minus 3, 5 times 5, 10 divided by 2. Yeah, that is pretty much as what you'd expect from every other language. So if you're brand new to programming, you might find the multiplication a bit strange. So what we do, we actually use the asterisk for our multiplication sign, not the x. So that's something to note. And the division of an integer gives you a floating point, and a few other useful tricks. Div, which is division, let's say 10 and 5, will just give you the integer back. And rem, which is remainder. So what it'll do, it'll divide 10 by 3 and return the remainder. Yeah, and that's it for the basic arithmetic. And now for Booleans. So quite a few here. Let's start with the logical operators. So that's or, and not. So we know we have Booleans, true and false. If you've never done logical operators before, you might want to read into that a bit, but I'll run through it pretty quick here. So we have true, and if we type these two straight lines here, that's an or sign. And we can say true or false. It'll return true because or, when you use an or symbol, it returns the value that is most like true. So it's a truthy value. So if we say false or true, so return true because true is the most positive value. And we also have and. So if we say false and true, it return false. If we say true and false, it return false. And these two ampersands represent the and. And the reason why we return false each time is because it's saying, hey, it'll only return true if both these values are truthy. So if it's true and true, then it will return true. And finally, we have the not operator, which is represented by the exclamation mark. So if we say not, so it essentially inverts the value. So if we say not true, it's a false, it will return false. If it's not false, it will return true. And those are the basics. One thing to note, if a value is present, then it's truthy. So 50 is a truthy value because it's not empty and it's not false. So it's not null or nil and it's not false. So if we say not 50, it returns false because 50 is a truthy value because it's not false or not empty. So a little tidbit there. And there are 3 additional operators. We also have the words and, which represents the and. We have or, represents the or, and we also have not. And those pretty much do the same thing, except the first value of these operators must be a Boolean. So if we say 50 and true, we're going to get an error here because the first value into that function is not a Boolean value. So that's the difference there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Remember to hit the notification bell so you can get notified of all my latest updates. Really appreciate it. Remember, I'm going to be pushing one of these out every day for the next about 1.5 weeks. Thanks again. Have a great day.